My name is Scarlett Williams. I'm the Special Events Program Supervisor and the Preschool Director for the Falls Church Recreation and Parks Department. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen lab today. I'm going to show you two different science experiments that you can do right at home. The first one is do-it-yourself balloon. All you need is baking soda, a water bottle, preferably with a short neck, a funnel, measuring spoons, measuring cup, a balloon, and vinegar. Your first step, you are going to pour 4 tablespoons of vinegar into the water bottle. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Now you're going to carefully pour the vinegar into the water bottle. And set it aside. The next step, you're going to take the funnel and the balloon. You're going to place the funnel into the mouth of the balloon and set it aside. You're going to take the baking soda and get 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And place it in the funnel. You may have to tap the funnel a few times to get all of the baking soda into the balloon. Sometimes it takes a little bit. It's getting there, almost done. And there we go. It's all in the balloon. The next step, you're going to take the water bottle that has vinegar and you're going to carefully put the mouth of the balloon over the neck of the water bottle. Make sure that it's on nice and snug. You're going to hold the neck of the water bottle and you're going to dump all of the baking soda into the water bottle. So hold your balloon up and watch it all the baking soda go into the bottle. And watch it inflate. Pretty cool, huh? Do you know why this happens? The baking soda and the vinegar react forming a carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide doesn't have anywhere to go, so it inflates the balloon. Enjoy!